Have you ever noticed that as the years go by, even simple things like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or getting up from a chair feel harder than they used to? It's not just aging. It's something called muscle loss, or sarcopenia. And here's the shocking truth. After the age of 60, most people lose muscle mass at a much faster rate. But what if I told you that one simple habit, something as easy as adding the right ingredient to your morning coffee, could help slow down or even stop that decline? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to protect your muscles, your strength, and your independence. So let's dive in. First, we need to understand what muscle loss really is. Sarcopenia isn't just about looking thinner in your arms or legs, it's about the gradual weakening of your body's foundation. Muscle is what keeps you upright, mobile, and energetic. Without enough muscle, balance suffers, falls become more likely, and recovery from even small illnesses takes longer. According to research, after the age of 60, adults can lose up to 3% of their muscle mass each year if they're not actively working to prevent it. That means in just a decade, you could lose nearly a third of your strength. Now, here's the good news. Science shows us that nutrition and small lifestyle changes can make a massive difference. And this is where your morning coffee comes into play. Millions of people already start their day with coffee. It's a daily ritual, a source of comfort, and for many, the energy spark that gets the day going. But coffee doesn't just have caffeine. When combined with the right ingredient, it can become a muscle-protecting powerhouse. So what should you add? The answer is protein, specifically protein powder or collagen peptides. Let's break this down. Your muscles are made of protein, and every day they go through a natural cycle of breakdown and repair. When you're young, your body's very efficient at repairing and rebuilding muscle. But as you age, this process slows down, and you need a little extra help. By adding 10 to 20 grams of protein to your morning coffee, you're giving your muscles the building blocks they need to repair and grow. It's like giving your body the raw materials to rebuild the foundation of a house. Collagen peptides are another excellent choice. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, and it supports not only muscle, but also joints, skin, and bones. Studies have shown that older adults who supplement with collagen while doing resistance exercises gain more strength and muscle mass compared to those who don't. And the best part? Collagen dissolves easily in coffee without altering the taste. But protein isn't the only superstar. There are also spices you can add to your coffee that help fight muscle loss indirectly by reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent drivers of muscle breakdown. Spices like cinnamon and turmeric are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Adding just half a teaspoon of cinnamon not only helps give your coffee a delicious flavor, but also helps regulate blood sugar, which is crucial for muscle health. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is powerful for reducing inflammation and supporting recovery after activity. Now, you might be asking, does this really work? Let me share some examples. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed higher protein in the morning had better muscle retention and less frailty than those who spread protein intake thinly throughout the day. Another clinical trial showed that seniors supplementing with collagen peptides experienced measurable improvements in grip strength, walking speed, and overall mobility.
Let's imagine a scenario. Meet Mary, a 68-year-old grandmother who loved gardening, but noticed her knees and back were getting weaker. She started adding a scoop of protein powder to her morning coffee along with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Within a few months, combined with light walking and simple resistance band exercises, she felt stronger, could kneel in the garden without pain, and even had more energy to play with her grandchildren. Small changes add up to big results. Now, how do you make this practical in your own life? Here's a simple routine. Brew your morning coffee, as usual. Add 1 scoop, around 10 to 20 grams, of protein powder or collagen peptides. Choose unflavored if you prefer the natural taste of coffee, or flavored if you want a little variety. Stir until it dissolves completely. It usually mixes very easily. Sprinkle in a dash of cinnamon for flavor and added health benefits. Optionally, add a pinch of turmeric, but pair it with a little black pepper to activate its powerful compounds. That's it. In less than 1 minute, your daily coffee transforms from just a pick-me-up into a muscle-protecting elixir. Of course, nutrition is only one part of the story. To truly stop muscle loss, you also need movement. Strength training, using light weights, resistance bands, or even body weight exercises is essential. Think of it as sending a signal to your body that those muscles are needed. Pair that activity with your protein-rich coffee, and you've got a winning formula. Hydration also plays a role. Muscles are made of about 75% water, so staying hydrated supports their function. And don't forget other key nutrients. Vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium all contribute to muscle and bone health. Now, before we wrap up, let me make this personal. Muscle loss doesn't just affect your strength, it affects your independence, your confidence, and your quality of life. But the beauty of it is that you're not powerless. A small habit, like upgrading your coffee, can set the tone for healthier aging. So, here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, try adding protein or collagen to your coffee. Stick with it for 30 days and notice how you feel. More energy, more stability, and perhaps even more confidence in your daily activities. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below telling me where you're watching this video from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and countries our community represents. If this video has given you something valuable today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It helps us reach more people who want to stay healthy and strong after 60. And stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll uncover another simple yet powerful strategy to protect your health and make aging not something to fear, but something to enjoy with strength and vitality.